Ancient waters. Wow! Wow, nice. Oh, tara, tara. Bakit ayaw? Fossils. Wow, this is so big. Where's the boy? Boy, what are you doing? You scared? It's not real. Those are toys. Oh. You can see from there. You have a better view there now.
What I cannot see the half of the photo.
Let's read the sign.
I cannot see. What's that, Daddy?
I think it's like lobster.
Is it not?
I think it is. What do you see, boy? Ishan, what do you see?
Well, he's not eating the stones, but I think he's looking in the stones to see if he can find something to eat. You see those little lines at the side that keep like enclosing? That's his gill. So he's such a pushing through his mouth.
Wow. What do you see, guys? The eyes of the fish? Look, it's sturgeon. Oh, shh, don't be scared. They're behind a very thick wall. What?
I'm asking that for